Hello, this is Mami Zel at ang ating episode ngayon ay continuation pa rin tayo ng fractions but this time ang topic ay multiplication of fractions. How to multiply fractions? Okay, so halimbawa, 2/3 times 1/5. Okay, the rule says multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. That's it for the multiplication of fractions. Okay, let's solve. 2/3 times 1/5. Multiply the numerator. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So the answer is 2/15. So yun lang siya. Simple yung multiplication of fractions. Okay, let's have more examples. Okay, so here's another example. 10 times 3/4. Sa given natin, ang 10 ay whole number. Ito yung fractions, yung 3/4. So, paano ba siya isolve kung ganito ang given? Isasulat natin 10, yung whole number natin as numerator. And then, yung denominator ay 1. So, 10/1 times 3/4. Next is, i-multiply natin ang numerator which is 10 times 3 is equal to 30. Ngayon naman, ang denominator which is 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Now, ang sagot, makikita natin is improper fraction siya. So, pag ganito, mas malaki yung numerator, i-divide natin to make it into simplest form. So, gagawin natin siyang simplest form. So, 30 divided by 4 is equal to 7. So, 7 times 4 is equal to 28. Next, isubtract natin. 30 minus 28 is equal to 2. So, itong remainder, ilalagay natin as numerator. At ang atin namang divisor, ilalagay natin as denominator. So, as you can see, ang 2/4 ay meron pa itong simplest form. Ngayon, nahanap tayo ng number na pwedeng makapag-divide equally sa dalawa, which is 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So, ang simplest form niya ay 1/2. So, ang ating sagot ay 7/2. So, itong 7/1/2 ang simplest form. Okay, hopefully nasundan nyo. Another na naman na example. 2 1/4 times 16. So, sa example na ito, meron tayong mixed numbers, may whole number at fraction, i-multiply sa whole number. So, paano ito gawin? First is, dapat gawin muna natin itong improper fractions. Okay, paano ba yan siya gawin? So, we need to express the mixed number as an improper fraction. Multiply the whole number, which is ito, whole number yung 2, and then multiply it to where? To denominator, which is 4 sa given. Then, add the numerator. Add the 1. So, how we do it? 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay? Hopefully, nasundan. And then, we write now the denominator which is 4. Next naman, times all number. Magiging numerator ito, which is 16/1. Okay. So, ready na siya i-multiply. So, for this example, ang gagawin natin is yung other method. Simplify before multiplying. So, mas-simplify natin to by canceling the common factors. The top and the bottom. So, top, bottom. So, ganito lang siya ha. Parang i-cross mo lang. Top nito, numerator. Denominator naman ang kabila. Top nito, numerator. Denominator naman ang kabila. Okay? So, kung makita natin 16 at saka 4, meron siyang common factor which is 4. So, if 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. And then, 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Okay? Hopefully, nasundan ha. So, dito pa lang, sinimplify na natin siya. Okay, let's proceed. So, is equal to, ngayon, mas mababa na yung i-multiply natin. 9 times 4 is equal to 36. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So, ang simplest form ng 36 over 1 or 36 divided by 1 is equal to 36. Okay, tingnan daw natin kung hindi natin siya sinimplify before multiplying, kung the same pa rin ba yung answer, which is 36. Okay? Ito yung usually understanding natin kasi we multiply the numerator, then multiply the denominator. So, example, hindi natin sinimplify. So, 9 times 16 is equal to 144. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Proper fraction siya, is-simplify natin ito. Dahil mas malaki yung numerator, i-divide natin 144 divided by 4. So, first, 1 divided by 4 cannot be. So, 14 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So, 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Now, we subtract. 14 minus 12 is equal to 2. Then, bring down 4. So, 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. So, no remainder. Ang answer natin ay 36. So, kung makita natin, pareho yung sagot, 36. Either this basic method or yung other method na simplified siya. Okay? Hopefully, naintindihan ito at na-follow. Next. Meron tayong konting exercises lang. You may try it on your own and share your answer in the comment section. Try nyo lang sagutan siya. Okay? So, let's do it. So, here's our exercises. Pwede nyo lang sagutin at your vacant time. 5 and 2/3 times 3/4. What do you think is the answer? Number 2, 3 times 1 and 2/3. What do you think is the answer? Sige, itry nyo isolve para lang ma-practice kayo. Okay? So, if you wanna share your answer, please share it in the comment section below. Hanggang sa susunod, paalam!